Hey guys, so today I want to share with you my secret of how I get free hotel rooms. This method isn't for everybody, but even if it's not for you, just watch the video, you may learn a thing or two. So it is by gambling, and I don't take thousands of dollars to the casino and make these $100 bets or anything like that. And what I like to do is more money recycling. I take $100, maybe 20, 50, whatever my entertainment budget is, or whatever my extra money is that I have that's not set aside for anything else, break it down into $5 bills and play low volatility machines just to see how far I can get. Now, you don't have to be a high tier in any of the reward programs to get good comps. I started out getting good comps, people that are 7 stars or noir and stuff. I actually get better comps than them a lot of times. And a lot of that is because it doesn't go by how high of a tier level you have, it goes by your coin in. Now what that means is how much you make in bets into the machine. For example, if I put $5 into a machine and then I hit a good line hit and I win $10 and I just keep playing that and I win a little bit more and I keep playing that, well, my coin in is going to be much higher than that original $5 I put in because I've made a lot of bets on that same $5. What you want to do is find the low volatility machines. Now, I'm going to put a link to Cowboy Slots channel. I highly suggest you go check him out if you want to do this method. Check out some of their videos. They are really great about teaching low volatility, high volatility, myths about slot machines, all the things, because the more you know, better off you're going to be. So my first suggestion is don't just start Googling the casino reward programs and start signing up for all of them willy-nilly. I do suggest that you check around. You can check online and even in the casinos themselves and ask if they have any offers for new people, because a lot of them do. And they can even vary by the different casinos within the same rewards program. You just have to kind of go around and find out what their offers are and get the best offer for you. I do suggest that is if you have a local casino, like my local, which is 3 hours away, is a Caesars property. So I started out with Caesars, but I was in Washington, D.C. with my son for a conference, and I got a little bored, so I just hopped in an Uber and went across the river to MGM National Harbor and played like less than $100 for an hour or two. And after I got home, I started getting emails and stuff in the mail for MGM. Decided to take a trip out to Vegas, went onto the MGM Resorts site and looked at my comps, and I was getting what I'm still getting now, which is free rooms. 200 in free play and 100 in resort credit. You don't even have to play that much or that often. I played there for like an hour or two and I started getting great comps. It doesn't take much to do it. Now, I do recommend that you build up status with one of the major rewards programs. I chose Caesars since it's my local because it will help to get you that absolutely free hotel rooms everywhere, which means you won't have to pay resort fees and gets you that free parking and even free valet parking. There's multiple ways to do this. You are going to have to recycle money to do this, but you can also look around for different offers. Get their credit card that automatically makes you platinum. Caesars also has multiple days that have tier credit multipliers and things like that. Because once you get to a certain status with Caesars, you can go tier match those with other casinos. I don't have that much status with MGM points-wise, but I'm gold because I ended up getting Diamond Plus this year on Caesars and was able to match to MGM Gold, which gives me free resort fees there, which makes my rooms in Vegas absolutely free. There are other places you can tier match with, and I will go through all of those in another future video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Hit the like, subscribe, and little bell notification button so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. And it also really, really helps me out, guys, so I really appreciate it so that I can make more videos for you so we can travel like we're bougie without the bougie costs. Now get out there and go wild.